Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. My recipe today, it will warm you up in winter. Delicious practical lentil soup. I have a recipe one and I recommend you to do it this way. Both practical and delicious. I put my parts with croquettes. My carrot that I chopped. My onion. I'm putting my potato. I also add 1 tea glass of lentils that I washed. I'm adding my tomato paste. I add my oil. I add my salt. I add 1 L of hot water on it. To boil quickly, I added hot water, but you can also add cold water. I add a little more water. Lentils are better because they have potatoes and carrots in them. Causes it to darken. If my soup is dark after boiling, I will add some more water. I open my hearth. I leave my soup to cook. After my stove boils over high heat, I will shorten it a little and cook my vegetables until they are soft. My soup is boiling. I'm turning my stove down a little. My soup is cooked. I'll pass my soup through the blender. I went through the blender, friends, the consistency is very nice. You come dark, add hot water. I'm making butter, mint, chili pepper on my soup. I put 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm adding some mint. Some chili pepper. I add a little black pepper. Slightly confused. I pour over. My soup is ready. It's very good. I'm closing gold. Is ready to serve. It was like. Take it easy to friends who will try and do it. See you in the new recipes. Goodbye.